So by now you've either downloaded my project, in which case you may have some of this. Um, but either way, you're going to make sure you have downloaded a couple of these images and are ready to proceed on with the project. So you need to keep up with me from now on. I did give you the option of at least getting it to shoot, but after that, from now on, they're going to be short videos, and you need to pay attention and do them. So let's get with it. So the first thing you're going to see is in Google Classroom, I have these two images. You're going to click on them and download them. So you're going to download both image, click on it, open new window, download. Okay? Both of these. Then we're going to open up our game art folder. So again, right click, create folder, and we're going to call it game art. Game art right here. Open it. Okay, then you're going to, you can drag them in from here, or easiest way is just to go assets, import asset, and go get both of these. Double click on the knob in the hole. Okay, so these should both be here. We're going to use them. You're going to need them. So if you downloaded my project, I think I might have it here, but I may not. So you're going to have to make sure you do that. Now, we are going to make a target so that when we aim, we have like a little scope there. Mine's a little bit small. I may make it bigger. But anyway, you're going to right click and create from this menu here. Right click, create UI, and you're going to create a canvas. Okay? Right click, create canvas. Okay? I'm not going to do anything with that. But within here, you're now going to right click, create UI, and you're going to create a image. I'm going to delete mine. I already did it. But that's what you're going to do. And you're going to name your image target point, whatever you want to call it. Scope point, whatever. It doesn't really matter, but you're going to rename it. Notice it is under the canvas. So you're going to right click and create that UI image underneath the canvas so it's here. And name it whatever you want to. Okay? Then you're going to go to your game art. And on your target point, you're going to grab this knob and you're going to drag it up there. Now I have mine as 0.005. You know, I think I want to make that 9. Let's just try 9. I maybe make it 1. So let's see what my target point looks like now. Maybe a little bit bigger, huh? Yeah, I like that better. So now I have a target point. So when I start aiming my gun, I have something to aim with, and I'm hitting that target. Now, if I go to my console, you can see I hit the target 2 and the wall. So that means that is the bullet script wall. Now, I may test you on this, but I just added this, right? So right now, before, if I collide with something, it's looking for a target. It's looking for a target. So in this case, this one, I'm looking for these targets that I named, the little cubes. And that's why this is here, because there's more than one. There's like 4 of them. On the wall, on the other hand, we just went ahead and added this. You can copy it and paste it. So now if collision game object, we're going to compare tag the same as this one, but now we only have one wall. So I'm putting the wall inside there, it's looking for a wall, and because there's only one wall, when it hits it, I want it to print hit the wall. So we could do this over and over again for different objects. So we just added this to it, and now we have to go back, and that means you have to go here and you have to designate the wall, right? And the target. You have to create a tag so that if you don't have it, so that we know when it hits one of these targets, etc. Now, these targets I'm going to put under the wall. I could create a new empty game object, but now they're under the wall. So now that's a lot cleaner. Alright, so make sure when you save a scene before you start this, and then save a scene when you're done. You're going to be submitting this to me. I want to see my target, and I want to knock some stuff down. Now, I did go to my dummy weapon, and I made it shoot faster. So I made it 0.02. I made it 500 velocity, and it's going to destroy after 3 seconds. You can fool around with this. There is no right or wrong. But that way, if I want to shoot, I'm going boom, 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 boom. I can shoot fast because there's no delay, right? The longer you delay, the longer that's going to wait. Anyway, that's all we're doing. Then test out. Make sure you're hitting your target. See, you can see right down here. Make sure you're hitting your wall. Save a scene and submit it to itch.io.